Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's RonTrades, and we're back here with another trade breakdown video. In today's video, guys, we're going to be going over my London session GU long. Before this video starts, guys, sorry for not posting last week. Just want to be real clear right here, guys, before I get into this breakdown video, guys. I'm not a YouTuber, guys. I only post videos to document my progress, nothing less, nothing more than that. I'm not here to be the best trader. I'm not here to, get a lot of views. I don't care about things like that. That doesn't make me money. So I just want to be clear on that, guys. So if I ever don't post for a full week, I'm pretty much just focusing on myself and, dialing in on my own setups and making sure I'm staying focused and staying away from entertainment. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get right into this video. Like I said, guys, we did take a GU long. It's going to be transparent as always. I did take a slight L on my first position here, guys, and I came back here. Once I, got a better entry, and I booked about 2.5% off this setup. So very, very, very grateful for that. And I will be using the replay tool, guys, because we are a New York session. So I do want to make it look very, very clear to you guys what I was looking at. So let's go ahead and do this right here, guys. So I'm gonna delete this here and let's go ahead and go right over this setup real quick. Real simple setup, almost the same as all my videos, guys. So let's go ahead and get right into it. All right, so on my first position here, guys, we had price run up here. I used this as a MS shift here. So I played it a little bit early here. After this run up here at 330, I used this as my market structure shift. The market had something else in mind. So as price came back down inside of here, I took an entry here at this OB. I got stopped out, right? So that's why you see I took about a 0.5% loss there. So I got stopped out right there. After I got stopped out, I waited. I didn't impulse trade. I didn't get in my feelings. I didn't get mad. I simply waited for price to take more liquidity. Price came down here. After it took my first initial SL, price came down here and it took out sell side liquidity. So that's one check off. So sell side was now obviously purged. Now before that, did we see sell side liquidity purge on my first entry? No. So I actually went against my rules here. So it's very, very, very key that I'm putting this out. I did go against my rules on this first setup, and guess what? I lost. Why did I lose? Because I went against my setup. Price did not take sell side yet. So I waited and I said, hey, let's be more patient. Let's be more patient. Wait for your model to actually show, and let's not impulse trade. So price came down here and took out sell side liquidity. And rebalance here. The moment we break here, it's going to cause my MS shift. Why? We had sell side taken, rebalance. Once we break here, that's a market structure shift. The moment we broke above here at 420, I take my entry here off this OB, and the rest is history, guys. I booked about a nice 2.5% off this setup here. I did not hold for the whole thing. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I was a little bit sleepy last night. SL was right here for about 7.8 pips. Like I said, I went up for about, I think it was about like 25 pips. I closed out the moment we got right here about 25 pips. I did not capture all of this here. I didn't capture this part here. I'm going to be transparent. I didn't capture this. I closed out at 25 pips for about 2.5% gain. So yeah, guys, that was my GU long setup. Once again, guys, I did take a initial first L because I didn't follow my rules and sell side was not grabbed yet, and I tried to play it early. So once again, on the original setup, on the good setup, sell side liquidity was purged. That's one check off. And also keep in mind too, guys, before I came into this day, I already was bullish. I already was looking for a nice London buy day. That's how I call that. This is what I call my London buy day. So I had a nice London buy day opportunity presented to me. Once again, sell side taken. What do we have next? We had a rebalance here. So we're rebalanced here right now. If we was bearish, guys, this right here will be looked at as a displacement, rebalance, and continue to keep going down. But is that the narrative? Well, was that the narrative for London? No. We had sell side taken, rebalance, wait for this to get breaking right here. So once we break this right here at 4 or 5, this is an imbalance. They got a rebalance. If we are bearish, we respect here and we move. If we were bearish, we was not bearish during London. What was the case? We dropped down here against some sellers in. I know people sold here. We got them in, ran their stops, market structure shift. Price came back where? Last down close candle here, order block, tack buy side up here, guys. So once again, very, very, very grateful for this setup. Very, very, very clean setup. I am in a EU short. I've already took partials and things like that, but I will show you guys that. And I got hit at break even. So this was my EU scalp right here. I took a scalp. We had a market structure shift here, taking out this 945 low. And I pretty much just went down. Like I said, I closed out a lot of my position right here because I typically am still bullish on EU, but you know, we could see this thing rebalance itself. But yeah, guys, that's my setup there. Once again, GU sell side liquidity raid here during London session. Sell side raid, market starts to shift here, and we rebalance back up, and I had a nice 2.5% gain. So once again, guys, thank you guys for all the support. I will be dropping more videos this week. It is NFP and FOMC, so I probably won't be trading as much towards the end of this week. But Monday and Tuesday, I will be you know, unloading the clip. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Once again, guys, I'm not a YouTuber. I'm not a teacher. I'm not here to get the most views. I'm not an entertainer. I'm only here to document my process, and that's it. I don't care about any other trader, only myself, guys. So I'm gonna catch you guys in this video, man, and peace.